Hello traders, today is Wednesday. I'm going to show you side by side the Nasdaq as well as the Emini SP, trading them both at the same time using the Sonic trading system. Now for those of you who have the Sonic trading system, there is an update where you can modify the colors for the targets, the stops, and also how thick you want the line. Just a few extras that we've thrown in there. So for the members who have the Sonic trading system, look for an update by the end of the week, next couple of days. We will have that out for you. These are all recommendations that we've received from our traders. Now, before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose or are risks involved with trading. Now, I'm going to use a 30-second chart for the Nasdaq, the mini Nasdaq, especially because we have a lot of volatility and the Nasdaq is a fast-moving market. As most of you know, we have a lot of traders that are trading the Nasdaq with the Sonic, and I want to make sure that you guys can see examples of the Nasdaq and the E-mini side by side. Now, it doesn't have to be the E-mini or the micros or the Nasdaq. It could be any market like the Dow Jones, or even if you like crude oil, as long as you follow the rules using how many times the ATR you want the target to be and the stops as well. Now, remember, if you like these videos, subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We want to try to teach you as much about price action as possible, especially when we try to avoid these common indicators. So you'll never see Keltner channels or bands or momentum. It's just based on price action. Okay, we have a short on the Nasdaq micro. The Nasdaq is giving us an entry 1877 quarter. Remember, I'm going to adjust to the targets. You may see that green and red line there. Those are where the targets and the stops are placed based on the Sonic system, and so I want to make sure that I adjust them correctly. Now you can have a smaller target if you'd like, or a smaller stop, but I think that using what the rules engage of the Sonic is important. See that green line right there, just to make sure you can see it. And now we're waiting for the target, waiting for the stop. Now on a 30-second chart, obviously we're not looking at holding on to this for a very long time. It should be a pretty fast move. Let me just adjust here the colors. These are some options that we've added to the Sonic system. Now you can see it yellow as the target as opposed to green. So that is the target. Very fast. I'm also waiting now for an order on the E-mini SP. Since we had one on the Nasdaq, I'm assuming there's going to be one on the E-mini SP. But remember, a 1-minute chart takes a little bit longer for the orders to be generated. The smaller the time frame, obviously more orders. So if you want to just trade a few times in the morning, that's what we recommend. All right, so we actually have two orders. We have a short on the micro, a short on the E-mini SP, and we have the target and the stop. So I'm going to first place the order on the E-mini SP. That's the target right over here, and that's the stop. And now you could see there on the Nasdaq, it's also short. Now I think it's also important, if you're able to get a better price, see how I just got a better price than the actual signal? Absolutely go for it. Why would you not want a better price? We teach this in the training as well. When you get the Sonic, we have a couple of training videos which are constantly being updated and added, especially now with the new version of the Sonic with the color options. And now we're just waiting for the target to be hit. And obviously I don't want the stop to be hit, but I'm waiting for the target to be hit. More importantly, give it just a few minutes. Now, if you like the Sonic, if you like the autopilot, if you may already have the Trade Scalper or the At the Open, consider getting the Accelerated Mentorship. Accelerated Mentorship includes all our courses and software with one package discounted price. So that may be an option for traders who want our entire suite of indicators and trading systems in one package. All right, so it's going in our favor. Just be patient. At any time, you can close the position. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave exactly where the target and the stop happen to be and give you a great example of the Sonic system at work. Now, if you're holding on to a trade, also limit the amount of time that you're in a trade. It's really important, time management. A lot of the videos that we have, we focus on what's called a time-based stop. So never hold on to a losing trade unnecessarily. In this environment, half hour, 30 seconds, we're talking 10 minutes, 15 minutes in a trade, more than enough time for something to happen in your favor. Should not be chopping around under those conditions. Now, when you first start using the Sonic trading system or any type of trading, just start off with one contract, even a micro, and then you can expand and trade multiple contracts. So right now I'm just showing you one contract in the E-mini, one contract in the Nasdaq, but you can absolutely do 2, 3, 4, 5, as many contracts as the market can handle, but start off always with one and then gradually, slowly grow into it. So the target was hit. Pretty straightforward. There's not really much to this. You follow the orders, you place the stops, you place the targets, and don't over trade. I think that's really the key when it comes to day trading. If you're up after 4 or 5 trades, this happens to be probably the 4th trade of the day, I think. If you're done, shut it down and then go enjoy the rest of your day. If you have any questions on the Sonic trading system, or if you'd like to join Accelerated Mentorship, visit DayTradeToWin.com. We have a live trading room that's also included where we showcase the Sonic along with the roadmap and other methods and strategies that we have. Until next time, good trading. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.